Hello fellow culinary adventurers. Today, we're stepping into the realm of elegance and flavor with a delightful snow skin mooncake recipe. If you're ready to embark on a journey of sweet sophistication, hit that like button and let's dive into crafting these dreamy treats together. Begin your culinary adventure by gathering your ingredients: glutinous rice flour, icing sugar, shortening, water, and your choice of filling, be it sweet red bean paste, lotus seed paste, or a filling of your choice. Crafting the snow skin is where the magic begins. Combine glutinous rice flour with icing sugar and shortening, gradually adding water until a smooth, pliable dough forms. With the snow skin ready, divide it into small portions, shaping them into balls. These will be the delicate outer layer of our mooncakes. Now, flatten each ball into a small disc, spoon your chosen filling into the center, and carefully wrap the snow skin around it, creating a smooth, moon-shaped exterior. Feel free to get creative with your designs. Once your mooncakes are beautifully shaped, dust them with a bit of glutinous rice flour to prevent sticking. This step adds a touch of elegance to their appearance. And there you have it, your own homemade snow skin mooncakes. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of elegant desserts, don't forget to subscribe for more delightful recipes. Share your creations with friends and family, and let the sweetness of these mooncakes light up your culinary adventures. Until next time, happy crafting and may your kitchen be filled with dreamy delights.